हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 53, रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक। चैप्टर है 7, मोर अबाउट एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस। इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको सेंटेंसेस में क्लॉजेस का इस्तेमाल करना है और बताना है कि पर्टिकुलर क्लॉज जो है वो किस तरीके का काम कर रहा है आपके सेंटेंस में। पहला है दैट ही वॉज टायर्ड। इसके लिए सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं, आई न्यू दैट ही वॉज टायर्ड आफ्टर द लॉन्ग जर्नी। अब इसमें क्लॉज क्या काम कर रहा है? ये है आपका नाउन क्लॉज और ये है ऑब्जेक्ट न्यू का। सेकेंड सेंटेंस है वेयर ही वॉज बोर्न। Do you know where he was born? Noun clause, object of know. Third sentence है as he was told. He completed the assignment exactly as he was told. Adverb clause modifies completed by explaining how. Fourth sentence, what you say. I believe what you say about the situation. Noun clause, object of believe. Whosoever is guilty. Whosoever is guilty will be punished accordingly. Noun clause, subject of will be punished. Who laughs last? He is the one who laughs last in every situation. Adjective clause modifies one. Next sentence, because he is generous. She loves him because he is generous. Adverb clause gives reason for loves. Since you say so, I will help you. Since you say so. Adverb clause give reason for will help. As he deserved. He received praise as he deserved for his hard work. Adverb clause modifies received by explaining why. Before it was too late, they managed to escape. Before it was too late. Adverb clause modifies managed to escape by explaining when. As soon as he heard the news, he rushed home. As soon as he heard the news. Adverb clause modifies rushed by explaining when. That he soon overtook me. He was running so fast that he soon overtook me. Adverb clause shows result of was running so fast. Where he had left it. He found his book where he had left it. Adverb clause modifies found by explaining where, how old he was. The teacher asked him how old he was. Noun clause, object of asked. If you are diligent, you will succeed if you are diligent. Adverb clause, condition for will succeed. Because I was tired, I went to bed early because I was tired. Adverb clause gives reason for went to bed. What has become of him? Nobody knows what has become of him. Noun clause, object of knows. When the train will arrive. We are waiting to find out when the train will arrive. Noun clause, object of find out. Who did it? Do you know who did it? Noun clause, object of know. Whatever you think right. You can choose whatever you think right. Noun clause, object of choose. Since I returned from Lahore, my life has changed since I returned from Lahore. Adverb clause modifies has changed by explaining when. How this will end. I am curious to know how this will end. Noun clause, object of to know. What he wants. I can't understand what he wants from me. Noun clause, object of understand. As he could. He ran as fast as he could to catch the bus. Adverb clause modifies ran by explaining how. As he was not there, we cancelled the meeting as he was not there. Adverb clause gives reason for cancelled. If I were you, I would take the offer. If I were you. Adverb clause expresses condition for would take. That the streets were flooded. The news reported that the streets were flooded after the storm. Noun clause, object of reported. As I told him, he completed the task as I told him. Adverb clause modifies completed by explaining how. Before I submitted, I reviewed the document several times before I submitted it. Adverb clause modifies reviewed by explaining when. That he is a millionaire. Hard to believe that he is a millionaire. Noun clause, object of belief. She is beautiful. She is admired by many as she is beautiful. Adverb clause gives reason for is admired. What you want. You can have whatever you want for dinner. Noun clause, object of have. When his father died, he was devastated. When his father died. Adverb clause modifies was devastated by explaining when. As it was raining, we stayed indoors as it was raining outside. Adverb clause gives reason for stayed. As you please. You may arrange the furniture as you please. Adverb clause modifies arrange by explaining how.